Which EV connector type is right for public charging? Imagine pulling up to a charging station and wondering which connector your electric vehicle needs. Choosing the right connector can make your charging experience smoother and faster. Let's explore the options so you can be prepared wherever you go. In North America, the most common connector for fast charging is called the Combined Charging System, or CCS for short. It combines the J177 to plug used for regular charging with 2 additional pins for rapid charging. This setup allows vehicles to charge at very high speeds, sometimes up to 360 kilowatts of power. That means you can get a significant charge in just about 15 to 20 minutes. Most new electric vehicles from Japanese automakers and many American brands are built with CCS Type 1 connectors, making it the standard for fast charging on highways and busy urban stations. For slower, everyday charging, the J177 connector is the go-to choice. It is used for Level 1 and Level 2 charging stations, which are common at public places like shopping centers, workplaces, and parking garages. This connector supports charging speeds up to around 19.2 kilowatts, enough to top up your battery overnight or during a long shopping trip. Nearly all non-Tesla electric vehicles in North America come equipped with a J177 inlet, making it the most widely compatible connector for regular public charging. Tesla vehicles use their own connector called the North American Charging Standard, or NACS. Tesla's proprietary connector works for both AC and DC fast charging and is used at Tesla supercharger stations. Tesla owners can also use adapters to connect to J177 chargers, but the NACS connector is designed to provide the fastest charging experience with high power output. Tesla is gradually opening up its charging network to other automakers, and the NACS connector is becoming more common outside Tesla vehicles. Another option, though less common now, is the CODEMO connector. It was popular among Japanese electric vehicles like the Nissan Leaf. CODEMO supports fast charging but is being phased out in North America in favor of CCS. Some public chargers still support CODEMO, so it's good to check ahead if you own a vehicle compatible with this standard. When it comes to public charging networks, most stations now offer a mix of connectors to serve different vehicles. CCS Type 1 is quickly becoming the universal standard for fast charging, simplifying the infrastructure and making it easier to find compatible chargers. For regular charging, J177 remains the standard for most electric cars, except for Tesla vehicles which use NACS. Many stations provide adapters to bridge connector differences, but using your vehicle's native connector is always the most straightforward. In summary, if you want the fastest charging at public stations, look for CCS Type 1 compatibility. For slower, everyday charging, J177 is the most common and reliable option. Tesla owners should consider the NACS connector, especially as Tesla's network expands to include other vehicles. Staying aware of these connector types helps you plan your trips better and ensures you can charge your electric vehicle whenever you need to.